Hello Standard 7, your Arun sir. I am going to teach mathematics, the chapter congruency, in which we have discussed that how the two figures are congruent, and I have asked you to solve exercise 6a, and I am sure there is no problem. If there is problem, you will text me, I will solve and I will give the answer. Today we are going to discuss congruency of triangles, and I have told that if two triangles are congruent, then two things happen. One is corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding sides are equal. And second, corresponding angles are equal. So try to understand it. If two triangles are congruent, then corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal, or just opposite to it. If the corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal, then the triangle is congruent. Very clear or not? So that part is clear, we have understood, we have already discussed. Now, what are the criteria, what are the conditions that the two triangles are congruent? Listen, condition for congruency of triangle. Very important conditions for congruency of triangles. There are 5 conditions, and that you have to know. First one is SSS. Second, SAS. Third, ASA. Fourth, RHS, and fifth, AAS. What things sir has written? SSS, SAS, ASA, RHS, AAS. Dear children, nothing to worry about it. Let us discuss in detail, then I am sure you will be able to understand. These are the conditions, means 5 conditions. 4 is given in your book. This 5th one is not given in your book, but I am teaching here. Now let us discuss the condition. Coming to the first condition. First condition for congruency of triangle, that SSS, actually it is the short form. Short form of what? Side. What does it mean? This is triangle ABC, A, B and C, and this is triangle DEF. If all the 3 sides of one triangle is equal to the 3 sides of other triangle, suppose this is equal to this is equal to this, and this side is equal to this side, then the triangles are congruent. Very clear or not? AB, see here, AB is equal to DE. BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. By which condition? The name of the condition, in short, you can write SSS. Means if three sides of a triangle are equal to the three sides of other triangle, then the triangle will be congruent. By which theory? By which condition? The condition is SSS, means side, side, side. Understood or not? Now, let me change a little bit. Let me change the diagram. Instead of DEF, I am writing here PQR. PQR. And here, these two triangles are congruent or not? What do you say? Yes, these two triangles are congruent. But how to write? AB 3 dash is equal to PR. See this 3 dash. AB is equal to PR, means put AB over the PR. BC is equal to BC single PQ. And AC is equal to AC double QR. This way you will write. These two sides are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. Now name ABC starting from 3, 1, 2. So here also 3, 1, 2. See here 3 dot. This side must be mentioned first, then 1, then 2, because you have written triangle ABC this way. ABC 3, 1, 2. So this side also go 3, 1, 2. Then RPQ. RPQ by SSS. Understood or not? This is very important. And which criteria? First condition is SSS. Side, side, side. Means if side of one triangle, all the sides of one triangle is equal to all the sides of other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Very clear? Coming to the next criteria. SAS. What is SAS? Let us try to understand. That means side, angle and side. Means two sides must be equal, and between two sides the angle that must be equal. Here is triangle ABC. ABC. And here is triangle DEF. Try to understand. AB is equal to DE. This angle is equal to this angle, and this side is equal to this side. Two sides and included angle means between two sides. If two sides are equal and included angle means between the two sides of one triangle is equal to other, then the triangles are congruent. How to write it? Here AB single is equal to DE. Then angle B is equal to angle E. Then BC is equal to EF. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC single angle double DEF. By which condition? SAS. Very clear? Now, let me change it. I am writing here triangle ABC and here PQR. Is these triangles congruent? Yes, they are congruent. Now how? AB is equal to, see this single mark, QR. Angle B is equal to angle R. And BC is equal to double PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC. How will you write? Single angle then double, single angle then double, QRP. QRP. By which criteria? Which condition? SAS. Side angle side. Angle must be included between two equal sides. So second theory understood. Third what I have written? ASA. A means angle, side, angle. It means the side must be included between two equal angles. Here is triangle ABC. A, B, C. And here is triangle DEF. Two angles must be equal. Angle B is equal to angle E. And angle C is equal to angle F. And this side is equal. Then these two triangles are equal. Here angle B is equal to angle E, BC is equal to EF, angle C is equal to angle F. Means side is between two equal angle. Then these two triangles are equal. If I will change also, you can write. Suppose I am writing like this. Then what you will write? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. See here, AB means no mark to single, no mark to single, FE, then D, ABC, FED by ASA. Understood? Next, RHS. RHS means don't say right hand side. Here RHS means right angled, or hypotenuse. Side means the triangle must be right angle and hypotenuse should be equal and one side should be equal. Let me show two right triangle. Right angle triangle knowing, if one angle is 90 degree, then the triangle is right angled. A, B, C. Let me write D, E, F. The two triangles must be right angle, means one angle must be 90 degree. Hypotenuse must be equal, and this is the hypotenuse. AC and DF are equal, and any one side equal. Let me show this. Then these two triangles are congruent, by which by RHS, right hypotenuse side. Very clear or not? If I will change, only the name will change. Is this triangle congruent or not? Yes, but the name will change. Here, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC. Means going to 90 degree and then one. FED. FED by RHS. See this. So, it is the fourth condition, RHS. And let me discuss the fifth condition, AAS, which is not given in your book but important. Angle side. It means two regular angle and then one side is equal. Suppose this is triangle ABC and this is triangle DEF. Here angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and BC is equal to EF. See this condition. Angle A equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and BC is equal to EF. Then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, and the criteria is AAS, angle side. You can't write SAA. That is wrong. SAA is not the condition. The condition is AAS. So dear children, we have seen the criteria. Now we will solve question and answer. Okay, today up to this much. In the next video, we will discuss the rest part. Thank you very much.